Tired of that insufficient funds notification when you're about to download the hottest new app? Let's ditch the download drama and find out exactly how much credit you have on the App Store. First things first, unlock your iPhone or iPad and locate the App Store icon. It's that blue icon with the white tap on it to open the App Store. Now, look for your profile icon, usually a picture or initials. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on it. Alright, you're almost there. On this screen, you should see your name and Apple ID email address. At the top directly below that, you'll find your Apple ID balance. It'll be displayed right there in your local currency. Want to see where your money's been going? From the same account screen, tap on Purchase History. This will show you a list of all your App Store purchases, subscriptions, and in-app purchases. To manage your payment methods, go back to your account screen and tap on Manage Payments. Here, you can add, remove, or update your credit cards, Apple Cash balance, or other payment options associated with your Apple ID. This is a great way to ensure you always have a valid payment method on file and avoid those frustrating insufficient funds messages. And that's it. Now you're a pro at checking your App Store balance and managing your payments. Keep track of your spending and enjoy all the amazing apps available.